India has vast reservoir resources to the tune of 3.51 million hectare, which provide income, livelihood, and nutritional security to millions of fishers. The fish production from reservoir resources is yet to be exploited. Inland cage culture technology, which started from ICAR Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute, offers great avenues for increasing production of these resources. Currently, commercial scale production from the inland cages in India is mainly restricted to exotic catfish, Pangasius. The fish holds good market demand mostly in northern part of India, and rapid expansion of its culture is leading to low profitability. For increasing profitability, species diversification is need of the hour. ICAR CIFRI has developed production technology of diversified fish species in cages with special emphasis on commercially and regionally important indigenous fish species. The Institute has taken up diversification activities at its cage farm at Maithon Reservoir, a facility developed in the year 2010 under NMPS and at present has 38 GI cages. The Institute has also developed model GI cages and low-cost floating feed cage grow for promotion of cage farming in the country. ICAR CIFRI has successfully reared high-value indigenous species like Ompok bimaculatus, Labiobata, Jayanti rohu, Puntius sarana, Cyprinus scarpio, and Barbonymus gonionotus in cages in reservoirs of eastern India. The early fry high-value species like Papda and Shinghi are initially raised in RAS facility for 2 months. The advanced fingerlings are then transported to cage sites for culture. The RAS system ensures better survival and growth at high stocking densities and can also be used for overwintering of seed. Ompok bimaculatus, commonly known as Papda, is a high-value indigenous catfish species, highly relished for its taste, fetching 400 to 700 INR per kg in eastern and northeastern states of India. Stunted fingerlings of Papda of 6 to 8 grams were reared in varying stocking densities of 15 to 35 per cubic meter at Maithon Reservoir in Jharkhand. Average size of 50 to 62 grams was achieved with more than 80% survival in 6 months of culture period. Labiobata, which is an indigenous carp of average 5 to 7 grams, were cultured at varying stocking densities of 50 to 100 per cubic meter. The fishes attained 42 to 52 gram average size only in 6 months of culture period. The fishes show better growth performance at lower stocking density. Bata is also observed to control biofouling in cages and have been successfully polycultured in cages with Papda at Maithon Reservoir.
ICAR Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute is trying to develop the cage culture in inland open waters like reservoirs of medium and large categories, in which we are demonstrating the species for the better productions and improving the productivity and production from the reservoirs. In this context, only one species, that is Pangasiodon hypothalamus, locally called as Pangas, is cultured in the all cages throughout the India. Presently, we are looking for the diversification in which the fishermen or the cooperative societies who are working for the cage culture, and to them we are advising to farming some of the high value species like Singi and Papda. Besides locally important species like Bata are being advised to implement into their culture practice. In this regard, ICAR CIFRI has taken up the research in this. They are farming in cages in Maithon reservoirs and found it will be very good candidate species for supplementing the cage culture and increasing the profit to the fishers or cooperative society involved in this type of farming.
Diversification of cage culture with high value and locally important species would increase adoptability and profitability of cage farming. This would also pave way for doubling farmers' income through cage culture in reservoirs of India.